Every great story begins with a single moment, a spark of possibility that ignites something extraordinary. For us, that spark was Leeford.
I, Amit Gupta, stand at the core of this journey, inviting you to witness how a single idea and passion evolved into a movement of purpose. Every challenge that refined our vision of providing affordable healthcare to every household in the country and driving transformation across the industry.
Our humble beginning from Ludhiana in 2006 was never small in spirit, to serve people and enhance global health through high-quality, cost-effective pharmaceutical, wellness and personal care solutions.
Our values, integrity, inclusion, teamwork, trust and discovery are not just statements but principles we live by every day at Leeford. These values are inculcated within every team member at Leeford Healthcare across the length and the breadth of the country.
Guided by these values and with the support of our dynamic team, strong alliances and steady customer base, we grew from a modest startup to a brand which has carved its own niche to become a leader in the pharmaceutical industry today. We grew strength by strength from Punjab to North India and then to the whole of India with the collective effort of our entire team. In 2011, we took a bold step beyond pharmaceuticals and introduced Cosmetia, our personal care division. A brand rooted in science and built on the timeless value of trust. By 2015, we unveiled our second pharmaceutical division, Wellness, alongside our first WHO GMP certified manufacturing unit in Himachal Pradesh. We kept growing, more products, more lives touched. And in 2016, we strengthened our foundation of innovation with the launch of our dedicated formulation and development wing, setting new benchmarks for research-driven excellence. When the world faced COVID-19, we didn't pause. We responded with resilience, scaling up production, adapting the new normal, and stood by the communities we serve. And in 2022, we launched Leeford Medisciences, our super specialty division for nephrology and urology therapies designed to touch lives where care is needed the most. As India's second largest generic pharma company, we are scaling core segments while entering high growth areas like critical care, orthopedic solutions, injectables and surgical disposables.
Innovation leads us and care defines us. Today we stand ready for a healthier tomorrow with confidence. We bring 2 decades of wisdom, the trust of millions, and an endless commitment to healing across borders.
With a portfolio of over 2,000 products spanning 75 plus therapeutic areas, Leeford operates through 4 specialized divisions: Healthcare, Wellness, Cosmetia, and Medisciences. United by a shared DNA of trust, quality, and value, we serve the entire healthcare spectrum backed by ISO certifications and FDA-approved processes. Our formulation labs and F&D teams continuously innovate in drug design and delivery, ensuring that science remains in service of humanity. By sourcing only the finest raw materials and utilizing state-of-the-art machinery, Leeford Healthcare Limited ensures the best quality in manufacturing and distribution. Every product we create reflects our adherence to the highest global standards of the pharmaceutical industry, where excellence, safety, and trust form the foundation of all we do. As India's second largest generic pharma company, our mission is clear and unwavering: to bring world-class healthcare within everyone's reach. Guided by innovation, driven by efficiency, and anchored in ethics, we shape a diverse portfolio that reflects both responsibility and sustainability. For us, progress is not measured by numbers alone, but by the countless lives we uplift along the way. Backed by 5,000 plus professionals, 5,000 plus field reps, and 800 plus partners, our teams through the years have built strong and lasting relationships with our international partners, domestic suppliers, stockists, distributors, and pharmacies across India. Their consistent presence, integrity and commitment ensure that every Leeford product which is manufactured in our facilities and when processed for supply in market finds its way to people who need it most across India and in the countries where we export.
We nurture a culture of trust, recognition, and shared purpose, while ensuring that customer satisfaction remains at the center of all our strategies and actions.
At Leeford, we listen, we care, we deliver. We uplift communities through education, sanitation, and rural healthcare. Sustainability is built into our DNA, be it through eco-conscious practices, ethical governance, or transparent operations. We rise higher by staying true to responsibility. With a robust product basket spanning over-the-counter cosmetics, personal care, and nutraceuticals, Leeford Healthcare emphasizes marketing rooted in trust, driven by uncompromising quality and broad accessibility, addressing the diverse needs of consumers with consistency and credibility. Our strategies combine digital-first initiatives with strong brand management to drive awareness, engagement, and market share. The goal not just to sell products, but to build lasting connections with every customer segment we serve. A strong supply chain is the backbone of our product integrity. From trusted raw material procurement in India and abroad, as per the FDA standard protocols, every product undergoes a rigorous quality control process maintained within controlled warehousing standards and supported by efficient logistics and delivery system. Our commitment is simple: consistent quality delivered safely and on time every time. Over the years, we have built a strong nationwide network led by our central warehouse in northern India. Our reach spans distributors, 7,000 stockists, pharmacists and major institutions, including hospitals, CSD, central police canteens and government healthcare bodies, and a dynamic sales team of professionals ensuring deep market reach and high responsiveness. From ASEAN, GCC to African countries, while challenges and technologies will evolve, our commitment to purpose, people will always remain our guiding light. We are on a pursuit to increase our global reach, diversify the portfolio, and develop new products to enhance the lives ahead.
At Leeford, our vision is built on trust. We believe that every life we touch deserves the highest standard of care and integrity. Our mission centers on impact. We design solutions combining breakthrough science with genuine care to improve the quality of life globally. Our work goes beyond manufacturing medicines. We build partnerships founded on trust and a shared goal of affordable healthcare for everyone. With every step forward, we reaffirm our commitment to grow responsibly, innovate fearlessly, and lead with integrity. At Leeford, trust represents both a commitment and a practice, forming the cornerstone of our operations. Our mission remains precise: to care, to serve, and to achieve growth in unison.
We are not just building a healthcare company. We are building a legacy of trust, care, and impact. Because when you lead with purpose, you go further than success. You build change. Leeford Healthcare. We care to serve you better.